Morning, everybody. Dear students, today's subject is about freedom. Azadi Hindi. Just think about it. We have everything, but just think there is no freedom in our life. What is the meaning of our life? For example, we suffered many years back, before independence. India was under British rule. Our forefathers suffered a lot of pain. There was no freedom. We are forced to obey the rules and regulations of British government. Similarly, everybody deserves freedom. Freedom to walk, freedom to talk, freedom to meeting, freedom to move anywhere. Even the birds, animals put in the cage. Every bird and animals, they deserve freedom to move forward and backward. Birds, you have seen birds put in the cage, parrots and other birds completely suppressed in the cage. They want to fly in the beautiful air in the sky. They are also deserve and are very interested to fly in the air. Every man and human beings, all species in the world, the most wanted thing in this world, freedom. Just imagine, without freedom, it would be a dark world. Now we are facing the same thing, Corona. Most of the are sitting at home, unable to go out because of this fearful or dreaded disease, Corona. So this came all of a sudden and forced to sit at home. No liberty to walk, no liberty to talk to anybody, no liberty to visit neighbors, no liberty to go and see relatives, completely arrested by unknown force and are forced to sit at home. How we can break this silence? Freedom is the most important thing. See, we are not only happy with food and drinks, but when more freedom, see, you have to go to evening walk, morning walk, sitting in the garden, go to the seashore, chit-chatting and playing. Children are playing in the garden. Now everybody stands still. So let us pray for a freedom that is most important in these critical junctions. Always nothing can be done. When we can expect a miracle from this dark period. Freedom everybody deserves. Everybody wanted to enjoy the life. You may have everything, you may have multi crores or peace and all, but without freedom, to put in some other places, how we can enjoy the beauty of the world. Similarly, a bird in the cage, animal in the cage. Only we can think about like blind men. They have eyes, but they can't see the beautiful world. Similarly, we have blessed so many things, but just think about without freedom. Life is equal to live in hell. That's a great punishment. Life without freedom is great punishment. We want not only food and drinks, but freedom. We could enjoy the freedom after more than 200 years. India was under British rule then. Our ancestors, our forefathers suffered. Just think that. August 14th midnight on August 15th, 1947, that is completely become free from British rule. In those days, all Indians completely jumped with joy because got freedom, enjoyment. So this is most important. Think about 100 times a world without freedom. What is so? You can't enjoy. very dangerous. Okay? Think about it. Freedom is most important. Share it with your friends. Okay? Have a nice day.